If you're looking to make a tasty evening tea time vanilla sponge cake, then this is definitely a must try. First, in a mixing bowl, you need to add in butter, melted butter. Then I've added in milk. Once you add the milk, add in sugar, and then we add in some vanilla essence. So we have added in all our wet ingredients. Next step is to whisk it really very well to see to that each and every ingredient is beautifully mixed and well combined. Now this is that kind of cake which feel like having while you're traveling, or just pop it in your bag, or for your tiffin, or when you want to snack in some time, or even during the evening chai time as well. This is a lovely, very simple, very easy cake with very simple steps. Now our wet ingredients are beautifully combined. Now I'm adding in some flour, and then I'll be adding in some baking powder, and then I'll be adding in baking soda as well. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. This is very simple kind of cake. If you want to, this is a very good activity to do with your kids as well during the school holidays. You can teach them baking because this is not some rocket science, very simple, easy kind of cake. They love making it, and trust me, this turns out to be very good. Now we are mixing all the ingredients, which is dry and the wet, really very well together. See to that there are no lumps. If there are lumps, then our cake will not turn out to be well. Now our batter is ready. Now you need to take any kind of tin like this, and then add in a liner, like a baking liner, and pour the batter, the cake batter, beautifully into this. Look at the folds which is coming. Isn't it lovely? By now our house is smelling really very well because of the vanilla essence. So see to that each and every part of the batter is beautifully transferred into the tin. And once you transfer the batter into the tin, just tap like this. Sometimes there tends to be air bubbles, and then there will be gap. So tapping is very much important when you add the cake batter in any kind of tin. Now I'm adding it. I've transferred it to the oven. I've placed it at 180 degree for 40 to 45 minutes, and that's it. I've cut it into small pieces like this. Try this recipe. Let me know your feedback on the comments below. Good for your snacking, lunch, tea time, or even your for your kids as well, and even for you. Trust me, you love this recipe. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.